In this video, you're going to learn how to make 19th century tailcoat and slacks.
Using the polygon tool, draw half of a shirt. Curve the neckline and armhole using the Edit Curvature tool. Create a symmetric pattern and sew the center front seam. Move your patterns to the back and right-click to flip horizontally. Sew the front to back.
Now let's draw a pair of pants. Create a symmetric pattern for the other side. Copy and paste them for the back patterns. Edit the back crotch to be wider. Sew the crotch seams and side seams. Do not sew the inseams yet. Hit Simulate. Once the pants are simulated, sew the inseams and hit Simulate.
Draw a big rectangle to create a place to trace a coat pattern. Import your coat pattern. There's a link to it in the description. Place it using the internal polygon tool. Select the trace tool and drag and select all the internal patterns that you just drew. Right-click and click on Trace as Pattern.
Create a symmetric pattern of the front and back of the coat panels. Sew the side seams and shoulder seams together. Don't forget to click on Flip horizontally for the back. Adjust the patterns if necessary. Here, the sleeves are shorter, so I lengthened them.
Create a symmetric pattern of the coat's sleeve and hit Simulate.
Sew the shirt's collar. Here I use the internal polygon tool to draw a fold line with the fold and with the fold arrangement tool in the 3D window I will fold the collar tips.
Sew the coat's collar using the free sewing tool.
Give your fabrics a color.
While the simulation is on, change the avatar's pose to a T-pose to be ready for export.